At Ray, we believe in the power of individual stories and the brilliance they carry. With every smile, we help craft a unique narrative, a distinctive chapter in the human experience. We see your journey as part of our own, and it is in this spirit of shared growth and discovery that we strive to build a brighter future, one smile at a time. Our global pioneers are deeply committed to breaking new ground in face-transforming solutions. We explore beyond the surface, delving into these solutions' endless possibilities, not just for dental care, but for your holistic well-being. Guided by our face-forward promise, we aim to journey with you, extending our reach into digital dentistry with innovative face-transforming solutions. At Ray, we're not just amplifying the brilliance of tomorrow, but redefining it. Ray is more than a brand. We're your partners in transformation. Storytellers, curators of inspiration, and artisans of joy. We inspire you to write your own narrative of positivity, positioning you as an integral part of our collective journey towards hope, confidence, and radiant futures. With Ray, you're not merely a consumer. You're a crucial part of our transformative journey as we illuminate the path to a brighter future. Together, we craft beautiful smiles and inspiring stories, one at a time. Face forward.